Rich, hey, it's Michael over at GPS and Track. Hey, I got your email about the GPS trackers for the car trailer and the vehicle. I want to kind of show you what this would look like. This is our platform. We keep it really simple. More importantly, like if you want to know where your trailer is, your car hauler, your vehicle, look, this is on the freeway right now. We know what speed, what direction. It's actually going 72 miles an hour. On the vehicle, right here, locate now. It's gonna give us stop and starts, but this is really detailed history with, especially with the vehicle, where the assets are at, where the trailers are at. But more importantly, like we have things like after hours alerts, geofencing. So if it does leave when it's not supposed to, you're gonna be kind of notified. This is the car tracker, or the trailer tracker. So it's really small. It's got a 5-year battery life. This is our best seller. I'm in the office if you want to talk about it. 480-292-9579. Just let me know how we can help you out. We'll talk soon. Oh, hey. The easiest way to get a hold of me is call me direct, 480-292-9579, or just reply back to my email.